guys, what's up? It's your friendly neighborhood Smango. I'm full tech, and today we're going to install Quake. That's right, going back to the Quake fans community a little bit. We're going to install Guake, a drop-down terminal in Linux. And today we're using Ubuntu. I had problems getting something to work earlier, and I don't know why. It wasn't the VMware stuff wouldn't really work in Firefox today for some reason. It's just glitching out. I don't know. But anyway, what you want to do first in your terminal is you kind of just want to update everything. So, alright. Update everything here in server. Yeah, this is running a lot better than what it was. I couldn't even drag screens around or anything in Firefox. It was just glitching out. I don't know. It was really strange. Alright. So we're gonna do this all with terminal. It's gonna be pretty cool, I think. And now that we got our VM environment set up with the Linux playground, we can play with Linux a lot more. It's gonna be fun. It'll be fun. It's crazy that all the amount of things you can do in Linux, really. Like, I'm trying to, for the YouTube channel, we'll try to show some cool and fun stuff I've discovered just messing with Linux more. And you should obviously mess with Linux, and I'm gonna show you my builds and stuff that I do. Of course, I run Quake Live server and some other cool stuff. And that's running all on the EXI host, which is what my little server over here is doing. It needs more hard drive space, and I could use a little bump up in RAM, but that's neither here nor there. We finally got it. Right now, we're going to try to install Quake. App-get install Quake. Should be in Ubuntu, so they have to install any extra repositories or anything. It's gonna take 6,000 KB of additional disk space. Oh no! Kazooie. Connecting the Kazooie. Oh. Alright, looks like it's going. So, in terminal, all you gotta do is type in Quake now. Quake. Oh man, Quake 2 is now... Quake Terminal is now running. Close that. F12 to use. Work. Working to me. Did it close because I closed out my... But it's because I closed out my... Oh, there it is. Alright, so now we have Quake. We have Guake. How cool is that, guys? I know I've talked about this in Windows before. They, in their PowerShell, the new one, the latest PowerShell, you can install, like, the Quake terminal. But this is cool. This is in Linux. Now we can just... let's try Open Arena. Well, this is not going to work in a virtual environment very good, but we'll try it out. We should probably try something else. A sudo. Oh, let's see. Trying to think. Let's do something simple. Just something simple. Oh, we can install Steam from here, but that'd be kind of stupid too. Let's install NetHack. Oh, no installation candidate. All right. Sudo. Oh. Let's see. World. Banjo.canonical. Oh, now that Quake, just leave it kind of running in the background. Don't have to do anything. Pretty cool. I bet you could even change this to the middle key if you wanted. Da-da. Guts. Now we can go back to the title key here. Whoop. How cool is that? I like T-Worlds is installed. Find here T-Worlds. Boy, this is gonna play good. Whoa, yeah, my mouse is crazy. Not working. Nameless T. The trouble with VMs, they don't really work with mice. So fast you can't handle the mouse. Now, terminal game it would play. Maybe. That's not really working. Not really working. Oop. Oh. Well, the game does work at least, but it is in a terminal, so or in a virtual environment, so it's not going to work the best in a web browser at least. It just needs more to move. Moving exactly how you would want, that's for sure. Woo. Well, there you guys have it. We have Quake. Let's see. Go over this. Hey, here we go. We got Quake. We got it on our title key. And that's pretty cool, right? I think it's pretty cool. But, yeah. They can't really play games in a virtual environment like this. It's not really meant for this. This is mostly for applications and servers and stuff like that. I mean, you can if you get 3D acceleration to work. Maybe. But as far as I know, Ubuntu doesn't work that way. Anyways, guys. Pretty cool. Going back to the Quake fans days. We'll see you guys next time here on Full Tech.